Looking to refresh your bathroom with a splash of color and practical design? This Seashore beach shower curtain offers exactly that. Vibrant colors and a durable build that stands up to daily use. Made from 100% waterproof polyester, it delivers a soft touch without sacrificing strength or privacy. Imagine stepping into your shower surrounded by a bright, realistic 3D seashore scene that stays vivid wash after wash. What sets this curtain apart is more than just its eye-catching print. The fabric resists floating and offers excellent opacity, so you get full privacy while showering. Plus, it's designed to keep your bathroom dry by preventing water from splashing outside the shower area. No need for an extra liner. The curtain dries quickly, helping your bathroom stay fresh and clean longer, which matters when you want a tidy space without constant upkeep. Installation is a breeze thanks to 12 rust-proof copper grommets and 12 sturdy plastic hooks included in the package. Sized at 72 by 72 inches, it fits most standard showers perfectly. The finely sewn edges ensure durability, while the weighted bottom keeps the curtain hanging smoothly without clinging to your body, enhancing both comfort and style. Customers across the U.S. are loving this shower curtain for its unique design and quality. One user shared how it transformed their bathroom from plain to inviting, drawing compliments from guests and making their shower routine more enjoyable. It's a simple upgrade that makes a noticeable difference in both look and function. If you're ready to add a fresh, colorful touch to your bathroom that lasts, this Seashore shower curtain is worth a look. It combines practical waterproofing with a stylish design that stands out without overwhelming your space. Try it when you're ready to make your bathroom feel more welcoming and easier to maintain.